joining us on Republic TV. Let's get you the news summarized with the Note Assist using Galaxy AI on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Up Congress rift widens ahead of the Delhi elections. Kejriwal says the public does not take the Congress seriously. BJP releases first list of 29 candidates for Delhi polls. Paresh Verma to take on Kejriwal on the New Delhi seat. Missing journalist found dead, body found in septic tank. Journalist was missing since January 1. BJP workers lay siege to Priyank Kharge's residence amid growing outrage over the Bidar contract suicide case. And that was the news summarized with Note Assist using Galaxy AI on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's start with the top news now. And cutting across to some breaking news now coming in connection to the army vehicle that plunged in a gorge in Jammu and Kashmir's Bandipora. The death toll has now mounted to 3. This is the tragic news coming in. Army soldiers, 3 of them have now lost their lives. 3 continue to remain critically injured. All right, my colleague Zeenat is joining me live from Jammu and Kashmir. There, Zeenat, we're learning that unfortunately the death toll in the tragedy has mounted and now 3 soldiers have lost their lives. Tell us about the condition of the others who remain hospitalized.
Has now gone up. It has mounted now to 3. That is the reports that are coming in, that the 3 soldiers have succumbed to the injuries and the 2 remains critical, although they have been evacuated from Bandipora after giving a first aid to them, and they have been referred to Srinagar for the advanced treatment. This was an army vehicle that was plying on the roads close to SK Pine area, and it skid off and plunged into the gorge. The visuals that we are beaming in are from the very spot where this incident has taken place, although in the visuals one can see the locals being rushed to the spot to provide a helping hand to the soldiers who have been injured in this incident. They were referred to the local hospital in Bandipora where the first aid was given, although 2 succumbed to the injuries earlier and later 1 more has succumbed. That is the reports that have surfaced as of now. And the 2 that have been referred from Bandipora to Srinagar remains critical. This is an incident that has taken place in North Kashmir, and presently Kashmir is dealing with the harsh winter conditions where the flight operations since morning have been suspended because of the dense fog. Met has already issued an advisory asking people to take precautions, and similarly the administration is working because some days back we had a snowfall in the Kashmir Valley which has resulted into the freezing conditions that we see at present. Temperature during the night goes into the minus, which has made the life of the people quite harsh, and the vehicles too have to take a very slow moment while plying on the roads because one can feel the skid that is taking place in majority of the places. In the morning the snowfall was witnessed in the Kupwara. In South Kashmir, in Shopian, minus 6.2 were witnessed during the night. That tells you about the condition of weather in the Kashmir Valley. And in these challenging weather conditions, the army vehicles skid and plunged into a gorge in SK Pine, Bandipora, where these soldiers received the injuries. Out of 5, we are picking that the 3 have lost their life and the 2 have been evacuated for the medical services, for the medical treatment.
All right. In fact, we're getting in a statement from the medical superintendent on army personnel accident. Let's listen into that statement.
यहाँ पर आज एक एक्सीडेंट आ गया जिसमें 5 बंदे जख्मी थे, उनमें से 2 की ब्रॉड डेड थे, तो 3 हमने रेफ़र किए। अभी आप देख रहे हैं हमारा जो अमला लगा हुआ है इस पर, और हमने उनको रेफ़र कर दिया 3 को। यहाँ से ये जाएंगे मानसबल, वहाँ से फिर चॉपर से वो पहुँच जाएंगे श्रीनगर। जैसे हमें इतला मिला हमने अपनी एम्बुलेंस भेज दी और हमने उनको रिकवर करके यहाँ तक पहुँचा दिया। और उसमें से जो तीनों में से एक था जिसको हमने रिवर्ट कर दिया, मैं बड़ा मशकूर हूँ जो हमारी टीम जो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट की है, उन्होंने उसको रिवर्ट कर दिया, CPR किया इमरजेंसी में उसको, वो अभी स्टेबल है।